call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm happy to present you my new work, a 3D model of a Sci-Fi Barrett rifle for the Unreal Marketplace. This is a futuristic version of the legendary Barrett M82A rifle, reimagined in the style of science fiction. The model has high detail, realistic textures, and animations. In the coming days, I'll share a time-lapse video with you, where I'll show the entire process of creating this model from start to finish. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a single episode, and also put likes, write comments if you like my work.
I see this place like a game I'm playing, straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
You call me a god.